In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing problem on Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your Instagram apps. Tap on profile picture. Tap on three line. Scroll down. Tap on creator tools and controls. Currently, Note is mostly available for personal account. Then tap on personal account. Tap on switch account type. Tap switch to personal account. Step 2. Open Play Store. Update your Instagram apps latest version. From here, you make sure your Instagram apps is updated. If your Instagram apps is not updated, then update your Instagram apps. It helps to fix Instagram notes not showing problem. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Instagram application. Tap on Instagram. Click on storage. Then again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Step 4. Again open your phone setting. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Open your Instagram apps. Tap on message icon. Refresh your Instagram apps. Follow all of the steps to fix Instagram notes not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.